Today I have this laser cut watering can that has some wood flowers coming out at the top. I believe I got it from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to start by just gel staining the watering can. I'm using General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain. And after you apply the gel stain, you can just rub it in with a paper towel to remove any excess. I'm then going to paint the top part, which are the flowers, using my Wise Owl dried thyme. Now I want to just stick with a green, mostly for the color of the stem. And then I'll set that aside to dry. I have this small board, I believe it's about a 10 by 10 inch. I'm going to paint the entire thing using some Wise Owl Snow Owl. And I did give this 2 coats and I allowed it to fully dry. Once it was dry, I then took my piece of sandpaper. I'm just going to give this a very light sanding. This just helps smooth out the paint and get rid of any brush marks if you have them. Next, I'm going to go back to the cutout that we had painted and I'm going to glue it down onto my board. I'm just placing it in the center and I just held that down with some hot glue. I'm going to take my hand drill and I'm randomly just going to pick flowers at the top here and drill holes into pretty much most of them. You can go back and add any extra holes if you do not like the end result. After I drilled the holes, I'm going to take my sandpaper and just sand off the wood that kind of splinters up. And you want to make sure the hole is big enough. If you have to go back with a bigger drill bit, you certainly can. I'm going to take my painter's tape and just place the sticky side up. And the words I'm going to be spray painting is hand-picked. And I'm just using my black Krylon Shortcut spray paint. And then I'm just going to decorate the watering can a little bit. I'm just adding this ribbon. It's like a burlap ribbon that you can actually find at the Dollar Tree. It comes with 3 different designs. And I'm just going to add that at the top here. I thought you could also maybe stencil the stained part, but I'm just going to leave mine plain. And then I'm going to glue my words hand-picked at the top of the board. You can even put hand-picked with love, hand-picked by, and then someone's name. I feel like there are a few different ways you could design this, but I just kept mine simple with hand-picked, and I'm just going to glue my letters down. I kind of want to stagger mine, so I'm doing every other letter at this point, and then I'm going to go back and stagger the other letters so that it's not a complete straight word. And there you go. I think this would make a wonderful Mother's Day gift, Grandmother's Day gift, or just a gift for someone special. Now you have a place to store all those beautiful bouquets that your children or grandchildren run into you from outside while they are playing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.